tips for homeowners concerning the roof. So number one, the roof is real similar to a water heater. We're hoping that there's really zero maintenance that needs to be done. However, that water heater, you are supposed to drain it once a year and get all the calcium and minerals out of it. With the roof, you should be cleaning your gutters and make sure that those are clean. But I'm going to tell you, number one, be very careful if you get up on your roof. If you do this, make sure that you put that ladder 3 feet above the gutter line and you tie it off, that you're very careful when you're up on the roof. The things that you want to look at is the flashings around where the roof comes to a wall, if there's any chimneys up there, skylights. Just make sure that any of the silicone is in good shape and not cracking out. If there is any areas of concern and you're not sure what to do, call a professional like Excel Roofing. We'll come out and we'll let you know if your roof is in good shape or not. But if you do have any issues, lots of do-it-yourself tips on YouTube. That'd be a great resource as well.